I'm Vicki Summers, Summers Academy of Dance, Berkshire Ballet Theater, and we're pretty excited because hip hop at the Dole is something that we've been wanting to do for a while. It meets a community need because there's got to be places for kids to go and hang out that are safe and fun, and parents can honestly feel good about dropping their kids off to get some exercise and to have some fun and to meet some of the college kids and to know that there's a little mentoring going on and big sister going on and lots of fun activities. For those students and kids that don't have a lot of money, it allows them a chance to come have a lesson and learn to dance and learn how to do hip hop that everybody wants to know. So we're pretty excited to partner with the Dole.